Hi, let's talk today about ECMAScript 2018, JavaScript event loop, and Puppeteer. I'm Anatol, and you are watching the good parts of the front-end development. If this is your first time here, you wanna learn front-end and JavaScript, start now by subscribing and don't forget to turn on subtitles. The feature set of ECMAScript 2018 was finalized during the last TC39 meeting in January. It includes async iterators and generators, object-to-rest and spread properties, promise prototype finally, various RegExp features. Every single one of the new ES 2018 language features is available by default in V8 version 6.4 and Chrome 64. And by the way, TC39 now has got own official logo. The WebKit team from Apple have released a Speedometer 2.0, a benchmark for modern web responsiveness. Now, it supports mostly all modern JavaScript frameworks and libraries, understands ES 2015 syntax, TypeScript and Babel. Last December, Nicolás Bevacqua gave a presentation about modular design at Code Europe. This blog post, namely a guide to modular design thinking, contains a transcript of that presentation. Have a look. Team Knowledge has posted an article with a provocative title, Running Untrusted JavaScript as a Service is Hard. The services like JSFiddle or CodePen face with such challenge. The author has proposed a multi-layered approach to solve the untrusted JavaScript code issue. So, running untrusted code is a security nightmare, but it can be done. If you're using React, you've probably heard about Highorder components at least once. In this short tutorial, you can learn about how to write a Highorder components in 3 easy steps. Let me grab your attention to Jake Archibald's talk in the loop. This report is one of the best event loop illustrations I have ever seen. Want to get your head around CSS grids once and for all? Enjoy this 7-minute introduction with code and diagrams. Dan Abramov presents a future feature at JSConf Asia. New concepts are coming directly into React that could make Redux obsolete. WesBoss has prepared a short demo of Context API usage. Gergely Nemeth has posted an article building secure JavaScript application. In this article, he shares some tips and best practices covering XSS, CSRF, passwords, and auth. The blue wrap technique for loading background images. Here, Emil Björklund explores a performance technique using one of the more forgotten filter effects, the filter function, as well as recreating it with SVG. He adopts a transition with blur effect for progressively enhanced background images. Right now, only WebKit can animate the sharper image in. If you're looking for a perfect tool for testing your API, then pay attention to an article 7 helpful HTTP tools worth knowing about by Christopher Sandoval. You'll find here the comparison within CURL, HTTP console, HTTPE, HTTP prompt, JQ, Postman, PO, and Insomnia. The last but not least point for today is an article titled Automatic Visual Defining with Puppeteer. In this article, Monica describes how to set up Puppeteer to automate both taking screenshots of your project and comparing them. The set of tools for this purpose consists of Mocha, Chai, Pixel Match, Polyserve, and of course, of Puppeteer itself. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel and watch other episodes. Thanks for watching. and stay curious.